I am going to show you why we should learn C language. Okay, so you may ask me the question, why should I learn C language? It's not mandatory, but it is desirable. Why? I always give you my personal opinion that go for C language first before learning any other computer languages. Okay, why one should learn the C language? First answer is C is a mother of all languages. Why? It build up the strong foundational programming concept. A strong foundational programming concept you may grow up after learning the C language. Why? Because C covers all the topics or all the necessary basic concepts what are very required by all other programming languages. The topics which are very important to write any kind of programming or any kind of coding using any kind of programming languages. Once you learn the C language, you learn all the basic topics which are needed to know the coding or to know the programming concept. So that's why C is called the mother of the all programming languages. Now you may ask me, what is the job scope for the C? After learning the C language, what kind of the jobs we can get? Now I can tell you that my classes will be delivered in 2 languages. This is important point for all of you. My video classes will be delivered in 2 languages. One is our mother language Bengali. Yes, in Bengali. And second, along with the English language. Okay, আমি বাংলাতেও পড়াবো এবং ইংলিশেও পড়াবো। কেন কি? যাতে যারা বাংলায় যারা ইংলিশে নট সো মাচ কমফোর্টেবল বাট নট সো মাচ, যারা বাংলায় বেশি কমফোর্টেবল, as well as ইংলিশেও পড়াবো। যারা ইংলিশে কমফোর্টেবল, they will be very much comfortable with my Bengali as well as with my English language. Okay, so আমরা সি ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ পড়ার পর কি কি জব মার্কেটে পেতে পারি, ঠিক আছে? ফার্স্ট অফ অল, ওয়ার্কিং অ্যাজ এ আইটি ট্রেনার, কম্পিউটার ফ্যাকাল্টি অর কম্পিউটার টিচার in educational field. Next, the scope is software development. As a system software developer, you may join in any company. Third is as a game developer. Okay, system software developer means OS system developer, compiler, etc. etc. Okay, so in 2 branches you may go after learning C language. Next point, you may ask me, where C is used, in which field C is used. First of all, for developing system software. Next, for developing gaming software. Next, for writing libraries and frameworks. প্রথমে আমরা সিস্টেম সফটওয়্যার ডেভেলপমেন্টে আমি ডিটেইলসে পরে পড়াবো। I will go for details in my classes. You'll get all the details about the C languages, about my classes, how I will take the classes. Every details you will get from my YouTube channel. Okay.